Welcome back everyone. In this video we will explain pivot table, what is pivot table and how to use it, how to summarize data using pivot table. First of all, let's move to explain the pivot table. The pivot table is used to summarize, analyze a large amount of data. It is just whenever you would like to just summarize, it means calculate the sum, the count, the max, min and other. It means that it will just give you a large amount of the data. It will summarize for you just in a few lines to give you the total, the count, the sum, whatever you need, so you can do with this. So we will explain it right now in an example. So we have a data set. Look at the data set. This is our data set and we would like to just create a pivot table and we will design that. So just select your whole data, Control A to select your data. After selecting that, press Insert tab. In the Insert tab, select Pivot Table. So after that, here we have two options. First of all, select your table. Okay, our data is selected, the whole data. And down here you will see choose where you want to create your pivot table. So we will select, if you want to create in the existing data sheet, just select the second option, existing worksheet. If you would like to create in a new sheet, so just select new worksheet and press OK. I would like to create in a new worksheet, so it will create a new worksheet for us. Now here, look at the pivot table fields. All we need to do, just use these fields. Okay, at the right side you see the pivot table fields. So now how to create our pivot table? For example, in rows I want to display, just come here, the region. Okay, I want to summarize my data based on region. In every region, how much sales I have. Just come here, back to shade 3, and here I will just bring region to rows, drag region to rows, to the rows field. So after, look at, we have our regions in rows, east, north, south and west. Now in the column, okay, in the column I would like to display the products. Okay, the products, the name of the products. Look at, we have the product A, B, C, these three products we have. So let's drag the products to columns. So after that, look at, we have the products here. Now we would like to see the sum, okay, the total of every product in every region. For example, the widget A, total sum in east region, in north region, in south region, in west region. Same to that, B and C also. And also we would like to see the grand total. It means that the A product total in east, the grand total, it means that the total in east, north, south and west. So for that, let's bring now our revenue to values. Drag the revenue to values. Look at, we have, it means, this means that sum of widget A in east region. This means sum of C, widget C in east region. But we don't have widget B, product B in east region. Okay, we don't have that in east region. Look at the east region, we don't have the product widget A. Widget B, okay, sorry, widget B we don't have in east region. Those fields are empty. So here we have the total, okay, the grand total, like the grand total of C and A, which is 21,000. So now what else we need? You can also just whatever, okay, you just play with these fields, whatever fields you want to display in the columns, in the rows and also in the values. So just play with that. For example, we want to just filter our data based on salesperson. For example, we would like to display the data of John Doe or John Smith or Bob Brown. Which one? We can just bring the salesperson to the filter region. Look at, we look at the top, we have the filter option. Now right now that is applied on all users, all sales users. So let's summarize this. For example, we want to just say the data of Jane Smith. Press OK. So Jane Smith has just sale in west region. Okay, just in west region. Look at, just in west region the John Smith has, look at, just in west region. It doesn't appear in any other region like west or east. Let's move, for example, filter our data for Bob Brown. Okay, Bob Brown is repeated in also west and in east. Yeah, we have that in east and west. Let's filter our data for Bob Brown. It's okay. So look at, that has in east and west the sales. So you can filter, just you can select multiple items also, or select all persons. So it's how you can create pivot table and summarize your data. Just see the totals, the sum, the products, and region wise, country wise, province wise. So you can use it like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down. Thanks for watching.